Late at night in Los Lunas, a lady arrives at a homeowner's door, appearing extremely scared. She rings the doorbell and asks the homeowner for a phone call. The situation is perplexing, as it's hard to determine if she genuinely needs help or if there's some kind of trap or deception involved. In such uncertain circumstances, it's essential to prioritize personal safety and caution while considering how to assist the lady. It might be best to contact the authorities to ensure both her safety and the homeowner's well-being.
Do you have phone to borrow?
What?
A phone?
Hello?
Hello?
Can I help you?
She needs to borrow, please.